Standing beneath rainbow awnings at Zephyra's harbor market, I can taste the ocean breeze and feel the pulse of local life. The city hugs the northern shores, where gentle winds whisper legends of skyfisher tribes and drifting spice caravans. On my tray today is the famed Luminous Tangle, a hot skillet creation that blends real and rare ingredients under a single sizzling blaze. Each bite tells a story of culture, climate, and centuries of trade. The region's cool maritime climate nurtures fields of wave grass interwoven with wild sea lavender. Fishermen harvest moonrise octopus in the calm dawn, and farmers tend pink-shelled zephyr beans in sun-dappled terraces. But the star here is the Aurora mushroom, a bioluminescent fungus foraged in misty coves at dawn. It glows softly on the pan and adds an earthy, sweet umami that dances on your tongue. I watched the chef pour a swirl of golden seafoam oil into the cast iron pan. He tosses sliced moonrise octopus, tender and chewy like a fine calamari, alongside blanched sea lavender. Next, he folds in quartered zephyr bean, their tender pods crackling with a light pump. Then come whiskers of Aurora mushroom. They hiss and release steam that smells like rain on warm sand. A sprinkle of sky pepper dust adds a bright zing and a faint floral note. As the pan sizzles, the chef stirs in fermented wave glass rice, cooked yesterday and cool, so each grain stays distinct. A dash of soft fermented fish paste from inland springs deepens the flavor. The Luminous Tangle simmers for just 60 seconds, nighttime keeping passed down from the old spice families. Finally, it tops it with shards of roasted lumik leaf, crisp and crunchy, offering a hint of sweet pepper in every bite. I scoop a generous mouthful. The textures clash and harmonize. Chewy octopus, crisp lumik leaf, and the softly yielding Aurora mushrooms, all coated in sizzling oil and seasoned with salty brine and peppery warmth. The taste is a journey, oceanic, earthy, and boldly floral, with a final sting that wakes every sense. You can almost taste Zephyra's shifting tides and glowing mists in one serving. This dish wasn't born overnight. It traces back to wandering skyfisher tribes who spiced street food, fires with sea lavender, and discovered the glowing fungus. Over generations, traders brought zephyr beans from the southern isles, and cooks refined the recipe in coastal inns. Today, this humble market stall honors the history with each hot skillet. Pair this dish with the chilled Waveblossom Tea, a herbal infusion brewed from purple petals and cooled with crushed glacier ice. Its sweet floral aroma balances the savory skillet, and each sip bursts with notes of honey and mint. It's the perfect ending to your harbor feast. I'm already planning my next visit, and you should too. Imagine yourself here, breathing sea air, hearing distant gull calls, and tasting a bite of Zephyra's soul. If you find yourself by the harbor at dusk, hunt for the rainbow awnings and ask for the Luminous Tangle. Trust me, this is one adventure you don't want to miss.